Thank you for joining in. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So we'll be solving this trigonometry. It says in the triangle SYZ, x is 24.5, z is 136.7, and the small z is 17.6 m. Solve the triangle completely. So first we draw the triangle. And it said that the triangle is SYZ. So x, y, z. And then our x is what? 24.5, 24.5, 24.5. Z is 136.7. And then the small z, which is the line opposite the big z, this side is 17.6. So we're asked to solve for the other sides, this, and this. So let's solve for this first, which is y is equal to 180 minus this plus this, which is 24.5 plus 136.7, 136.7, which is equal to 18.8, 18.8. So this plus this, 180 subtracts the sum of these two numbers, we have this. So y is 18.8. Now we have y, we have this, so we just left with these two sides. So let's solve for the small y, which is this side. So this 18.8, let's just fix it in 18.8. So let's solve for the small y, which will be y over sine y equal to z over sine z. And what's that small y? We don't have the small y, so it's y over, the big y is sine 18.8 equal to, the small z is 17.6 over, the big Z is sine 136.7. So as usual, we cross multiply. This multiply this, and this multiply this. So when this multiplies this, we'll have y sine 136.7 equal to this multiply this, 17.6 sine 18.8. So now we want the y to stand alone so we can solve for it. That way, and to do that, we have to get rid of this so that y can stand alone. So we divide both sides by sine 136 sine, divide both sides by sine 136.7. When we do that, our y will stand alone, and this is what we mean. Y sine 136.7, this divide by sine 136.7 equal to this 17.6 sine 18.8 divide by sine 136.7. This can divide this, and then y standing alone. So with your calculator, you press 17.6 times sine 18.8. And when you've done that, you will have, this will give you, you will have 5.67 divided by sine 136.7. So when your calculator, you impute 5.67 divide sine 136.7, and then you will have your answer as y is equal to 8.3. So y is 8.3. So now we've gotten our small y, which is 8.3. 8.3. Now it's time to solve for the small x. So the small x, what do we do? So we'll be using x and y, which is x over sine x equal to y over sine y. So our small x We don't have the small x. So x over the big S sine. The big S is 24.5. 24.5 equal to the small y 8.3. 8.3 over sine. The big y is 18.8. 18.8. So we have 0.3. So now let's solve this. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. When we cross multiply this times this, we have x sine 18.8 equal to this times this 8.3 sine 24.5. So when we've done this, we want s to stand alone, so we have to get rid of this. And the way to do that is to divide both sides by sine 18.8. Divide both sides by sine 18.8. 18.8. So this is it. S sine 18.8 over sine 18.8 equal to 8.3 sine 24.5 divided by sine 18.8. So this cancels this and s is standing alone. So with our calculator, we'll press 8.3 times sine 24.5. 8.3 times sine 24.5, and we'll have 3.43 over sine 18.8. And with your calculator, you also press 3.43 divided by sine 18.3. And the answer is 10.6. So this is the answer for our small x, which is this 10.6. 10.6. So this is how to solve it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you don't understand, please try to watch it again or ask the question in the comment section. Thank you so much.